I'm 42, and this is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
Bro, why is it Bulimon here?
Swag.
Okay, hold on. Okay. So we have Hollow Tip Hero. I don't know who this is. Captain Swag. 2 Slimy Dick. That's gays. Oh my God, it was 50 degrees today, and I was literally driving to the gym, and I had Legion on with the windows down. Bro, 2 Slimy Dead might be the best underground artist of this year. Like, no cap. Under PR.
I'm 42, and this.
Okay, I don't know who this is. This is 6 Bill, Raining. I was so surprised it was Raining LOL, I'll be honest. Talon, and I don't know the others, but we're gonna find out today.
Is the 2026 Underground Sound Cypher.
I can't even see this nigga.
Swag.
Oh, this shit low-key low. So Bleod is underground, I guess? Yo, chill. Bleod, we gotta listen to Bleod's new song too. This shit low-key low.
Cow swag trapping, cow swag booming, cow swag swixing, cow swag coming to your trap with Mega Legs, cow swag for your bitch, she said my dick like heaven. I'm the type of nigga walk into your trap with no socks. You the type of nigga to get groomed, don't roll fly. My shooter schizophrenic, that boy think that he in black ops. To get groomed, don't roll fly. I hope I don't look like I get groomed on Roblox. Yo, yesterday, if anyone saw my Discord activity, don't expose me, even though I'm about to expose myself. But I was playing one quick Roblox match with the Hinge girl. Simply because I wanted to get friendly before she comes on stream. You see what I'm saying? Not just bust stream right on her. You see what I'm saying? Like that low-key disrespectful. What game? We played Rivals Duels, and I'm gonna lie, she low-key she shit the fuck out of me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, she did me bad, bro. She did me bad. But yeah, she said that we can game today. Bet. We'll see. To the schizophrenic, that boy think that he in black. Okay, Mercy. I be seeing numbers, bitch. I feel like I'm in black ops. Bitch, I'm swagged out, so I went to the grocery store. I ain't see the whore, so a nigga left the grocery store. She ain't sucking dick, then a nigga don't wanna talk no more. I'm so geeked up, swag, see it coming out my pores. Cow swag, flex on Rolex like he been 10.
Yo, where's Lil 2 Pies? That's my question, bro. I went in Lil 2 Pies. No cap.
There's no way. I'm so high, I went to Chick-fil-A on a Sunday. Bitch talk crazy, block a hoe like the Kimbe. This swag so global, I got white hoes in Norway. Okay.
Yo, Eon, fix your nose, little nigga. Okay, hold on. Yeah, hello. Ciao! Yeah, hello. Baby, nigga, stop with the guaping. You niggas don't think it's popping. You're trying to shoot a nigga passing the rock. Yeah, hello. Chill. Please. Chill. Okay, what would y'all rate the first one? First one to me was cool. It's not even bad. I just think it's not the sound of the underground right now. So it's kind of like I don't want to hear it. That don't mean it's bad. But yeah, I don't really want to hear like, I don't know if that's like a Soulja Boy type beat or what, bruh. Yo, Damani, sub up, dork. Come on, hello.
I don't win up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Go yard bag, I pop tag. Hey, coming first, then you coming last. She better song, then she running back. We going denim all over my ass.
Nah, this shit low as fuck. Hold on. Yo, how I boost my joint? What the fuck is enhancer? Yo, I never downloaded this. Yo. Bro, this shit low as fuck.
Niggas be hype, really they be ass. Stay outside, I don't even rap. Know your hollow, get to the bag. Then I go sit
Yo, I
back
think my
and
PC
relax.
might be close.
Damn, sit back, smoke. Ask nigga out like tic-tac-toe. A lot of these niggas be stealing no flow. You tryna slime them, gotta let me know. I hit the ground and money on the floor.
Yeah.
Around you acting like a hoe. Too many chops, any money mo. Virginia Beach, better not be alone. Fuck nigga. Slick. Damn, LA, NYC, I got jet lag. Damn, smoke runs where my head. Beef it, rip back, taste that back. I don't win up, don't know how to act. She got me blocked, bitch, she call me back. Louis Vuitton with a Glock to match. Damn. Okay. Slick.
Okay. This is the best one. This is the best one after 2. You feel me? Yeah, hello. Who is this? Is this Lade?
Stop letting them gas you up. Just know that we slide, nigga, we turn it up.
Hold on. No. No. This shit about to be hard as fuck. Hold on. Bass booster sanction. On God, I need to hear this. I need to hear this. Yo, come on. This shit about to sound hard as fuck. Hollow Tip Heroes was cool too. Bro, I'm scared. Because why are niggas saying that Hollow Tip had the best verse?
Know the truth, shit, I just need me a nut. Got a young nigga mad, she still with the game, boy. She said you a plug.
There we go.
It's up, it's stuck. Now these niggas mad at us. I stay out the way, I'm counting my hundreds, confused, I'm running it up. Just pop me a 10, I'm about to get tight. Finna go up in the function. Talking like hoes, a young nigga home, shit, it really ain't nothing. Love my hoe so much, I can't even choose who I want. Can't stay with no bitch, you stay with an attitude, get it gone. I'm picking and choosing, I do what I want. Yeah, I know I'm wrong. Making that money before I choose you, cause we ain't lasting long. Bad bitch give me head, little bit gon' do what I said.
Who's Lade though? I never heard of him. I was actually looking at Twitter and niggas were like, yo, who are all these randoms these niggas got on? Is this the type of music he makes? This shit fire.
That guy cost me a lid. What's your horn? I'm rocking the bed. Play with me, I'ma fill you a lid. No cap, I'ma aim for the head. All these bitches, they know I'm the man. All these bitches, they know I'm the man.
This shit hard. Yo, that was too quick. Descalade, let's go.
Bitch, on me a breast, yeah. Bitch, I'm kinda chest, whoa. I'ma pull it leg, flat, hit the money spread, yo. Hit a stanky leg, bitch.
Yeah.
Run, count, go out, run from fast. We got clientele, putting them through hell, like where's nail, bitch, I pin my nail, I go out the rail, choke a chain, bitch, choke a chain, bitch, choke a chain, bitch.
Oh my God. Hold on. This flow is actually nasty, but I need to hear like the vocals more, bro. Nigga said, what are these shoes? Yo, Owen, you dead wear fucking Reeboks, nigga. Oh shit, I said books. No, not even Reeboks, nigga. Cause niggas, yo, how do you spell Reeboks, bro? Niggas with Reeboks dead got swag. Oh, and you don't even wear these shits. You just wear, you wear Hirachis, nigga. Oh, and you get your drip from which trending, bro? You wear Air Forces right now, white Air Forces, bro. Niggas that still rock white Air Forces, I don't care. Actually, no, because I do have a pair of white Air Forces. So let me not.
I got 2 chains, bitch. I get paid.
Yo, this actually pretty good.
To make that fucking money music, I caught a plug. Bitch, I'm getting buckets, nigga. It's just my done.
Yo, this nigga low might be right.
Chopper go like bang, bitch. Chopper bang, bitch. Most in the pot. Blue kind of top. White y'all slot, bitch. Top fucking dust. In my egg pop. I'm another chopper.
That shit, I ain't gonna lie, this shit hard.
Yeah.
Okay, pause. So, Lone actually might be correct, bro. Lone said Rainy LOL Dead might be the first clone to Dead go crazy. But my question is, like, is he going to evolve from this Che copying sound? Or is he going to, yo, we have to listen to his album too. Or is he going to evolve into his own sound now that he's in the limelight? Or is he just going to do what Che does? Because I feel like eventually that will get played out. But he does have his own sound. But I feel like that Dia Icon, at least from what I heard on TikTok, it sounds just like Che.
Both my bitch the same. Both my cars the same. Right stop, put on chain. I don't even know her name.
Yeah.
Went from none to fame. Rock out on my pain. Same with all my hoes. I stayed in my lane.
Yeah.
Meantime, I read my jeans.
This that surf, nigga.
Got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed. I go through the weeds. I'm still pulling weeds. Run me like a
Y'all don't know who this is?
She
Talent?
treat me like Jesus. I'm going
Talent, where you at?
Celine the double G. I make all my peace with both my bitches taking visas down. Rock the star, I'm bouncing inside my seat. It's how you keep it up.
Crazy.
Both my bitches
Okay, yo, what's good, balance?
both my cards same.
Bro, this.
Stop, put on chain.
Hey.
I don't even know her name.
Hey.
Went from none to fame.
Hey.
Fuck out on my pain.
Hey.
Same with all my hoes.
Hey.
I stayed in my lane.
Hey.
Meantime I rip my jeans. Hellcat got no key. I'm losing my speech. Geek, I'm having weed.
Fuck. Fuck. I got the Rex V2 cosign. Where, nigga? Oh my god. Yo, Talent Dead has the best verse in this shit. Dead. Why is it though that everyone in the Cypher is just, what has Cyphers come to, bruh? Oh, he liked this post? I know, I fought with his bellies. I fought with his bellies. Yo, where he liked the post at? How can I check who like? I'm Belensk. Yo, Hank, what's good, buddy? Fuck, all these tabs. Owen getting me tight. Gotta search up a fucking tab for this dork. My fault, Owen. Bro, why is the Cypher though? Everyone just makes a chorus and then hops on a beat. It's just like a chorus off. I feel like Cyphers are just them rapping. But this just sounds like a bunch of choruses together with different beats. Talent has the best verse though. Who y'all think had best verse so far? I think it goes Talent, Raining, Hollow, and then the first guy.
I get higher than the egg.
Wait, who is this? You good, little bro. Not for sure. Wait, what is this guy's name?
I get higher than the egg.
Okay. Homicide gang variant.
I put it on D&D. I'ma say before you walk, you cross. I walk the talk, I run in the canyon. Catch you out and spin out the back of the field. I'ma hang out double. Niggas ain't live gang.
Damn. Hold on. Dribbling cousin, Billy's and Phillies get played. How about I let bro. Yo, what is that accent? Yo, this nigga might make me listen. Go back to listen to Homicide Gang on Belensk. Yo, and I'm not even a gangster, but it's hard.
Put his name on the bullet for the boy, more the cop. 500 shot, it got police like, can I get over here? He could scheme out with a double suit. I'm feeling like Scorpion. Help my house, she touch shit. Scorpion. Jaguar sight on the big cock, Pinocchio. Sound like you pistol a nigga. You lying, you know. Got big as okay. I got Drake for these niggas. Double lip chain.
Nah, this shit hard. Yo, this joint hard as free. Bro, no, these are, what are these? These are freeforms. These aren't wicks, bro. These are just huge ass freeforms. Belensk. Yo, Owen, you low-key getting your whiteness knowledge up.
Sight on my gun in your forehead. Double lip chain. 500 shot with a police boy leg. Bullet can animals, go through cars, stop trains. I just read the street, big going to school at Harvard. The big astronaut, young thing on the same page.
Yo, this is what I'm saying. This is why I rap. This is why, bro, and a couple months ago, I was rapping in an accent. And y'all were like, yo, bro, get that nonsense accent out. When you rap in an accent, bro, it's harder. That's why I had... Bro, I'm hopping back on that swag. I don't care, bro. Freak, y'all. This guy... Who is this? Ferrari? Ferrari? Nah, this guy's ELR.
I had to be like online handles. 2-5 John nigga shit in that symbol. I'm up to motherfucker tree like a pendulum. I'm not a nigga, gon' play like a random. I turn bumpin', they fire at 10 If it that shit not a con, it answer. She wanna touch it, I why you not handsome. I send me nigga like high DBS. You don't do shit for your life, I get hammered. Turn on the pun, I put less in your chest. Yeah, I'm pulling my pocket, no, it's not a dance. Should've went motherfucker honey wrist. Saying my tunnel like Papa on them. And I feel they know they surprise you a bitch. Nigga got fist like hoe getting Kenny. I'm a little truth putting lines of shit. They got time for that deal. They got time for that deal. Jet ran like a bill. Then nigga net like.
Can you post the King of Mexico clip? Who the fuck? What, too slimy? I'm in there. Baby, What King of Mexico clip? Yo, I did not know Ivisi's look like this. His rapping is hard, but to me, Nespin concert? Oh yeah, I gotta clip that concert, I ain't gonna lie. To me, this shit hard. The way he raps, but I just don't like Step Team beats that much. Cause it don't hit hard. It's just more of like a smooth listen. But what's good with the Step Team crew? Damn, everyone looking like Majins.
Yeah, these niggas tell us still taking years in the seal. Thinking ourselves in here. These niggas pay for that hand job, bitch, no will. I'm not set by mama. I'm not set by mama like. I'm not set by mama. Tryna bounce some shit like Kevin and Kill. In that patch of the mill. Honey pay, nigga, I saw him. Had these niggas shot down. For the church, got a lot for that bar. None of them niggas right around it. And it's that scene all 26. Look, I'm these, I funny.
What the fuck, AI bags? That was. Hold on. No. I did not know this nigga came on his ass. Bro, you have to fucking let me know too, Slimy. Hold on. Yo, everybody lock in.
The church got a lot for that boss.
Lock in.
And it's that scene all 26. Look, I'm these, I funny.
Hold on. Damn! Oh my god, look at that fucking walk in, bruh. Hold on, let me cosplay. Let's go! Yeah. Bang! Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I have literally listened to Sue Slimy all day today. So I am so prepared to hear this nigga on that motherfucker, nigga. Oh my gosh. Run this shit back. Fuck. Yo, who called me a spy, nigga? Katie, what gas? Come on. I'm too bad. Fuck! You guys hear the in the back? The stutters? Fuck, this nigga high key. Holy shit. Bro, this nigga Too Slimy is dead ass like fuck. Bro, Too Slimy is the epitome of an underground. He's the epitome of why the underground fans are underground fans, bro. Because some of these niggas be so trash that they're good. And because they're so bad, it's like, nah, y'all niggas don't understand. But I understand this swag. So that's why this shit is dead like Michael Jackson to me, nigga. Because you don't understand, but I do, nigga. This is our shit. We rep this shit. Fuck. Tite pases. They're flusking. Hold on, I'm low-key foaming in the mouth too much. I gotta spit this shit out. My saliva getting extra thick. Too slimy, bro. Chill. Yo. Hello. Yo, Katie, what? Yo, Ken, what's good, bellies? Come on, 6 Bill.
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario made it geek.
Nigga came and dissed this shit already, bellies. Damn, 6 Bill might be black. Look at that fucking yam on this nigga. Hey. Why he instantly trying to pull out a Kodak Black bar? Yo, who's clipping this man? He said, fuck the lineup. This shit weak. Come on, bro. That might give you negative aura, bro. What the freak?
Fuck that lineup, this shit weak. Look at me, Mario, made it geek. How to pay who high to me, who fly to me, nobody beat. Heard I got racks put on my head, get a hoe he love, follow me. Boy, you keep that bitch on right the way she swallow me. Basket like it's Halloween, grab F and then my shooter purse. She too tight for G19, put them police on her purse. Ain't got a none that little boy scared to shoot. I tell her go to church. Thought I won't fuck what I like, bitch. I got rich off words. Yeah, I'm gonna make that pull out 10, bitch. About to give me Kirk. Yeah, popping that RP, bitch. I'm fried. My eyes wild like dirt, like yeah. I got a bitch, she from the island, just like Riri work.
Yeah, I fuck with 6 bro birdies, but this nigga said this lineup is weak and contributed to that weakness. Alright. Bro, this is why I need my soundboard, guys. Bro, this is why I dead need my soundboard. That was a perfect gutter ball. Alright! On Belensk. Yo, I gotta stop spamming these words, bro, because this shit might leave the rotation after next week, because I'm spamming that shit. I'm spamming that shit. I'm rapping this shit. That ass. Gutter ball this nigga.
Gutter ball.
This nigga's contributed to the fucking weakness this nigga's talking about, Brady's. Are we serious?
Should've got Ramadan, send him on missions, tell him rocket, turn lots of kids, not Bernie. Beverly bitch, she Persian. If I'm not fucking your hoe, I'm probably in the studio working. If I'm not blowing the phone, I'm popping on Xbox, I go perky. I'm still young, not free my bro. I'm still young, not fuck the church.
Damn, man, you know I'm funny as fuck. Who this?
Saw the devil in Minneapolis, that bitch, she steady grinning. I just rolled a joint and twisted like my fucking dreads are thinning. I'm a mogul.
Gutter ball.
Yo, I don't want to hear this, bro. I don't want to hear this. I don't even think this is trash. This is just not what I want to hear, bro. I'm trying to hear fucking cat's eye, nigga. La Seraphim. Bad bitches in my ear. Not no nigga lyrically rapping, bro. Did I forget my favorite artist used to be Lil Pump? And still is to this day? Lil Pump, yeah. Bro, I'm not trying to hear no poetry. Or sixth grade fucking English homework.
I invest in women, proxy next to Finnet. Feel like I'm the best up in my fucking class, yeah, I admit it. I'm so hungry, stomach spinning, my music bumping, drums are hitting. Like the ocean tides are shifting. No, it's my time, I've been sprinting. No, I'm not like other niggas, and my bitch not other women. Niggas asking for some substance, and they put like nothing in it.
Bitch on my dick, on my mama, I might slap a bitch. Bitch on the knees. Calm capping, I could teach you how to jug, but jugging niggas is a passion. 20/20 vision, as a kid I wanted glasses. Niggas is not either, might be fasting. I don't want the beat without the 4-step and the clapping. Tricks off the kids like the motherfucking rabbit. If I see some money, gotta grab it. The speaker knocking, told them niggas turn the speakers up. Getting chicken like some Popeyes, I'ma piece you up. Bitch, I gotta deal with the Jews, yeah, they lease me up. Smoke more weed than that nigga with Khalifa. I'm a flexer up the bankrolls on the teachers. Back in high school, I had bankroll in the bleachers. Now I'm swerving into seas. I just put a deuce in a Sprite, 2 liters.
Nigga's still rapping, they just cut this nigga's verse off. Yo, gutter ball that shit.
Gutter ball.
Bro, why the fuck would I care about this shit after he just hopped on like Tyler the Creator and Baby Keem? Bitch, are y'all niggas streaming that Baby Keem album? Y'all might as well after this bullshit. The fuck? I'm not listening to this, bro. The second part wasn't even bad. It just sounded like Xaviersobased, but bro, I'm sorry. If you already get me turned off, I'm not finna get hard again, bro. Unless you like on some too slimy type swag. No, I don't like no Tyler the Creator, bro. Tyler the Creator's for performative black men. I don't do that shit. I actually am. I am an actual alternative listener, bro. The fuck? On balance. Okay. Yo, y'all think Rain XCX is on this bitch? Nah. Okay. I'm not a performative black man. Oh yeah, you are right. You aren't you like a white guy who plays lacrosse? Anyways, Yeah, bro. This shit cool, bro. I will say last year was definitely more stacked. Like last year, they dead had everybody on that bitch. And this year it was like, you know, they got a little bit underground, but it's okay. Maybe the underground niggas who were on the same level as the people last year don't want to do it.